Alright, we made our Christmas ball. The video is on my playlist if you want to see it. It's called the $3 Snake and Pearl Christmas Ball. So what we're going to do is make this into a bird. Anyways, so you'll need the Snake and Christmas ball from the earlier video. And then, which is basically pearls from the Dollar Tree. So we had these faux pearls from the Dollar Tree. Then we had a box of snakes from the Dollar Tree. It says reptiles on them. Some of them didn't have reptiles in them. Probably why they were at the Dollar Tree. We got a floral wire from the Dollar Tree. This is from Walmart. This is from Walmart. You don't need this, but I'm using a bangle that people put around their wrists. If not, you can make a circle out of this. We'll see how this plays out. So I'll make a bird out of this. So he's gonna be standing probably like that. So take and put one bangle over the top and then another down below. But first we gotta make the legs, and I gotta get some scissors. Alrighty then. Well, let's start this off by knocking my phone down. Okay. What, cutie patootie? I heard a cat. I'm going crazy. So we're gonna need legs. So let's move this out of the way. Put this over here. We're gonna get some legs out of this. So this, look at how tall you want your bird. If he's too tall, he'll constantly be falling over. So I don't know if I want to include the head in this one. So let's see, so should be about that tall in my opinion for bird wise. So like that. But if we include the head, it'll look like this. There's the little one. Come back around. Come back down. Come back around. Come back down. And voila! Basic bird styled shape. And we're going to cut it off here. Right there. Match the legs so they're even. Usually probably use pliers. I'm going to try. It was easy enough to cut with these. So this is the Dollar Tree wire. This one will be the same way. Okay. So now this is where the tricky part comes in. Is to put this on this with these. What? Hi. What does everybody want from me? Okay. So I guess we'll put this around here. And then we'll put this through here. And then that looks terrible. The neck isn't long enough and I've already cut the legs off. So let's see. The legs should be right about here though. This is what I mean, it's terrible. If you have somebody that'd be able to hold it, it'd be much better. There we go. And then I guess that's like that. And now I don't really like the bangle. Have his head come up here, just like that, and just like that. There. So now we gotta fix this wire to this ball. Easier said than done, I guess. So we'll put the ball down. Now where do we want the bird? So we're gonna grab our secondary wire. Cutie patootie. Gotta linger on the outside. So the wire could be any color. But as of right now, I'm going to do maybe about an inch, if that. And we're going to go around this neck right here. I'm going to wrap some wire around there. Hi, cutie. I kind of want these side by side, so if like that, don't want them on top of each other, I guess. And then excuse the small lion, he doesn't know her manners yet. So we're just gonna wrap it around. If you know how to do wire wrapping, great. If not, don't feel bad. Doesn't need to be pretty. So just like that. So that this comes up and then sits right there. And then we're going to measure from here to here and get one right there. So from there to there, just like that, to about, put it back. You can always have more, so I'd say about maybe 3 inches, about that long, like that. I'm gonna cut it with these scissors. Don't use your mom's good scissors or your girlfriend's sewing scissors. She will be mad at you. Alright, I'm gonna roll them over. And we're gonna run this underneath. We're gonna hold it with one finger. And then run it underneath the other side. And hold it with the other finger. And this is where the talent comes in, because at one point in time you're going to have to wrap at least one of these wires around itself. We're going to do this, start with this one. And this is where your pliers come in handy. So your pliers are just going to wrap around. Try to keep it taut, but not too taut, because it can break. Try not to scratch the ball too much, but you know, some of us are klutzy. Try to wrap the wire so it faces inside so it doesn't catch on anything. Okay, and then do the same with the other side. Make sure the bird is where he needs to be, and as you can see he wasn't, so I'll just slide this wire up. And then make sure he's in the right spot when I wrap this other one. So just like that. Have somebody hold it. I cut too much wire, so I'll probably have to cut some off. But if you try to worry about how much wire you have, if you try to save wire, I learned that I normally waste more wire when I do that, so I just go ahead and make sure I have more than I need. So at this point, I'm going to cut off just a little bit. And then I'm going to wrap this around till it's taut. So just like that. And now we need to do the little legs. I'm going to turn this so Snooty Cobra is facing up. There we go. Now I got a Snooty Cobra facing down over here. So now let's make the legs. Do I want a big wire or a little wire on the back? if I do a big wire, I can put a tail on there, which I might do that. So we're going to take these little wires. I'm going to make some feet. Basically just curl the ends so they just make little feet. Just like that. I have been sabotaged by a small being of purringness. You have ruined my video. It's my girl. That's Toffee. She needs a home. Find it. Oh look, I missed a pearl. Alright, now that we've been sabotaged, it's probably a terrible video. It's probably the best part of this video anyway. So, showed you how to make the feet. And then this one's a little off, so try to match it with the wire so that it doesn't catch on anything. And then you can give him like faux pasterns or anklets or whatever you want to call them. So just like that. And there. And now we need a, looks a little chunky. It kind of looks like one of those ducks. Thank you, Virgo. You want your ball back? So, we're going to need to put a little tail on to keep him standing. So, we're going to do like this. Need to throw that in there so they don't eat it. Okay, now we'll do a tail. Guess we can use the rest of this. So, we're going to, guess we can give him a thick tail. I'm going to say that's enough, but probably not. Okay. So I'm going to fold it, and then I'm going to twist it to about right here. Which I'd go get the drill and do the interesting way, but I'm just going to do it like this. And then going to need like a pencil or something. Get right in there. That one's oval or whatever, something that'll go in there. Maybe the edge of the brush, and then just start twisting. Make sure you got both parts. I'm gonna have to call security on her. Huh, Snooty. Just hold it and twist it together. You want to twist them around each other. You don't want one straight and one, because then you end up looking like that. But if you like that's how that looks, that's fine. You can get a little more on there. I'm doing this kind of like a screwdriver motion. Twist your wrist if you can. I know some people who don't have much of a wrist left on their arm to twist. So, just like that. And then we're gonna go down and come back up. Just like that. So, kind of like a tail. And then we're gonna wrap it around these two legs right here. So I'm going to point mine up because I think that's where it needs to be. And then come back down with it. This one you'll need pliers for. It's not like the other one. Let's pull it back just a hair. And give it a hook already. Just like that. So there's one. pinch it together. There's one. And going over to the other side. It's kind of hard to get it on camera, so if I don't, I'm sorry. You just have to live with it. Okay. Okay. So there's that one. And we'll pinch it together. These are not the pliers I normally use, so these are kind of oblong. They got the tip to them. Alright, so we got the tail on there. Bend the tail like that. And then we'll probably have it a little further out. Just like that. I'm going to run a wire from here to here. Or from here to here. From here to here. So that he's partially standing. He's like a small horse. Hold on. Why would you do that? Guys, you're ruining everything. These flags aren't part of it. I just brought them in because I didn't want them getting mangled in the weather. Well, somebody sexy brought them in because he knows I don't like them getting mangled in the weather. Okay, so we're going to measure from here to here with the wire. And then we're also going to have just a little bit that hangs over. So, I'm going to start with the neck. And I think I might go right about here on the neck. And then run it to the back. Maybe I'll make it crossways. A little giraffe with a bird. Okay. Right here, I'm going to run it through, wrap it around, and then I'm going to hold it in place. And then we'll get the pliers. There we go. Just like so. There we go. Just like so. Now we're going to wrap it around the back. Maybe we need to do like an X kind of thing. That would look cool. Do that. And we'll come up over here. And wrap it around the tail. And I left a little bit extra because I don't think it's going to hold it very well right there, so I'm going to wrap it around this leg too. So we're going to do 2 wraps. Okay. Now we're going to do a couple wraps around the tail. I don't think that worked out very well. Okay, so there's one part. And then we'll cross over on the other part. So let's measure another one. And we'll measure it long enough so that it can do the same thing on the other side. So the only reason why I had enough was because like I said, I measure more than I need. So we'll do the same. We'll come up here on this side since we've already got this one. And we'll run it through. Got hair stuck to me. Wonder why. Let's see if this is still going. It is. It's almost gonna stop. Oh God. Okay. I hope there's light because this phone is just absolutely terrible. I hate this thing to the very pit of my soul. And I was lied to about it. It just annoys me and irks me. Alright, so like that. And then we're going to run it and cross it like we did on the first one. And run it through. And wrap it around. Run it through and wrap it around. Get the pliers, pull it tight. Just like this. Probably can't see it. Just like that. Just like that, and then I'm going to scrunch mine just like that, and then run it up over and across into this right here down here. We're going to wrap it around the top of the hip once, okay, and then we're going to wrap it again. There's two. Okay. I'm gonna try to get that tight, but not too tight. And then come down on the leg and then wrap around the leg. I guess like right there. So just like that, and make sure you don't got anything hanging out. So, see how I have this? I'm going to fold it in so it's pointing away from hands. So you don't hurt yourself. There you go. Alright, so here we are. Mr. Burb, thinking his legs are not strong enough for his pearls. Oh no, they are. Here you go, Mr. Burb. I just gotta figure out what to do with his legs because they're all over the place. I could do this odd thing, give him knees. And the kneecap's connected to the face bone. Yeah, I think he looks better with knees. Isn't he cute? Isn't he just adorable? He's just so sweet and so cute. This leg looks longer than the other one. That's fine. Wouldn't be so cute if it wasn't. Now we're going to work on the head. That is if you want. If you think you're done, then feel free to be done. Oh, I know why I left that bead out. I wanted to be part of his head. But that means now I gotta rifle through this box. And we're back. So, here's his head. I'm gonna attempt to put it on him. I don't know about this. Oh, do I want to twist his neck like I did his tail? That might look cool. He's so cute. Okay. Do his neck. We're gonna give him a little curve, give him some sass. Could be like one of those little dinosaurs. And his brains are rolling away. And his pearl. Let's see if we have time to put this on here. If I can get it on there in 5 minutes. Maybe. Well, I don't know. We're gonna put this right here. Like that. I'm gonna fold his face closed. Oh, he is just a doll. Isn't he just cute? Okay, so I used the pliers to pinch his nose closed. But if you didn't want to put his head on, you're done. You want to put a head on him. And stuff it in there. I don't know how good this will wrap around there, but let's get some extra wire. Oh, he is just a doll. Let's see how much time I got left. I got 3 minutes before my phone shuts off. So we'll start at the neck and we'll wrap around the neck. And then we'll start wrapping around the head. Uh-oh, already losing it. Already losing his marbles. As if he had any before. So we're gonna, oh, you can't even see it. Okay, so we're gonna wrap it around his neck and then start wrapping around his head and kind of try to hold everything in while you're wrapping around it. Like this. I'm gonna fail. What did you say? Try again? So just like that. Oh, he is just a doll. Isn't he cute? Excuse me. Got a cat hair running around. Okay, now we're gonna move this wire so that it holds in his pearl brains. So just like that. Oh, he's so cute. Alright, not a lot of time. It's gonna shut off, but that is how you make a wire bird. And that was with the Christmas ball. See if he'll stand for me. Alrighty then. And we have 2 minutes remaining. And there he is. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. I made this with the Christmas ball from the video just before. I guess the next video will be me putting feathers on his tail. But there he is. He's so cute. I guess he could be a little dinosaur. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want.